Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, how are you today? Okay, introduce, my name is Indah Muji Rahayu. I'm from TBI A. In this video, I want to explain about voice and voiceless. Do you know about what is voice and voiceless? It is very important in English pronunciation. Voice and voiceless have very different meaning in English. So, they are the definition of voice sound and voiceless sound. Voice sound. The voice starts before the sound is made in the mouth. The example: Bill, deal. The sound made before the sound includes in the mouth. So, a voice sound using the voice box. And next, voiceless sound. Voiceless sound is the voice without vibration of the vocal cords. The example: til, paul. The example words from voice sound: bones, the diaphragm, gallbladder, joints, ligament, muscle, and next, the breath, veins, waist, you. The example words of voiceless sound: chocolate, falafel, kimchi, pancake, strawberries, shortbread, the turkey, the Thanksgiving.